Hello everyone, so in this video I'm going to show you guys some of our updates to what we will be doing as we transition to a virtual class. So here's the website for A&M San Antonio. If you ever need any updates regarding coronavirus, make sure you head out to this link. It has a lot of great information, previous updates, CDC, to Texas Department of State and Health Services, frequently asked questions, etc. So anything that you need to know regarding the university can be found here. You'll see from our course, if you go to Blackboard, that I have updated the syllabus. So it shows here, updated syllabus. And I just wanted to go through it with you so to make sure that everybody understood what I'm talking about here. So let me actually go and check here the syllabus. We can go over it. So we are actually going to be taking out two movies. We're not going to be doing any more No or Todo sobre mi madre. We're really just going to finish with Diarios de Motocicleta, which you guys should have already seen since it was homework from before we left the break, and then our individual movies. So let's break this down because I want to make sure that you guys know what to expect. So each of you are going to present your presentations in the same movies that you were given before. Selena, Zoot Suit, Blood In, Blood Out, Stand and Deliver, Mi Vida Loca, My Family, Mi Familia. Okay, so you'll be completing that through VoiceThread, and I will show you how to use VoiceThread later on. What we will be doing now is we will be doing reflections, oral reflections for each movie. So each student should complete a 5-minute video using VoiceThread. And in that 5 minutes, I just want your general reaction about the movie. What did you like? What did you not like? What surprised you or didn't surprise you? How are the characters portrayed? Why do you think they were portrayed in this way? What was the use of Spanish and English or other languages in the movie? How does this movie relate to your life? Okay, these reflections will be due Sunday by 11:59 p.m. for each week. So that's one thing you have to do each week. So each student will do one presentation for the movie that you were assigned, but you'll do oral reflections for all of the movies except for Diarios de Motocicleta. You don't have to do a reflection for that one. For participation, what I would like for you to do is orally respond to 2 oral reflections per movie, okay? And I'll show you how to do responses as well. The oral responses are due within 1 week of the oral reflection being turned in. You should also make oral comments on each presentation, okay? So each time that one of your classmates uploads a presentation, you'll do the same. Within 1 week, please make oral comments on their presentation. All right, the last thing is at the end of the semester, which will finish for us by Sunday, May 10th, I would like for you to choose either one movie or one topic, because you can go into depth about multiple movies if you choose a certain topic, to write basically a reseña, which is 2 pages in length, double space, Times New Roman, size 12 font, and it's very open. So this is basically going to be your final project, right? At least 2 minutes, or I'm sorry, at least 2 pages, but no more than 5. Okay, and I'll have something ready for D2L, I'm sorry, Blackboard, where you can turn that in. So coming up this Sunday, or 2 Sundays from now, the 29th, in about 10 days, I am going to upload a presentation on VoiceThread about Diarios de Motocicleta to show you kind of what I'm expecting of you for these presentations. Because the presentations should be about at least 15 to 20 minutes in length, where you are critically analyzing the movie that you were assigned. So I would like for all of you to do an oral comment on my presentation in VoiceThread by the 29th. You should also do your own oral reflection of Selena by March 29th, and Maria is going to complete her presentation of Selena using VoiceThread by the 29th. A week later, you should complete your oral comments about for two of your compañeros, right? And VoiceThread. As well, we'll be moving on to the second movie, Zoot Suit, where you need to complete your own oral reflection, and you need to create also your oral comment on the presentation of Maria. Okay, so every week we've got something due. It's always going to be due Sunday by 11:59 p.m. San Antonio time. So remember, we're just doing everything San Antonio time. If you had to go somewhere else, just keep that in mind if there's any time changes, all the way to the end. All right, so if you have any questions about this, the new syllabus, please reach out to me. Let me know. Okay. So I want to show you guys how to use VoiceThread and where can you find this information on our Blackboard site. Okay, so here's our Blackboard site. This is what it looks like when you guys log in. So you'll go here to course content, and then you'll see a couple of different things. I've created this link that shows you how to create a presentation in VoiceThread. So it goes through for you and then also gives you tutorials. Okay, so this takes you directly to VoiceThread, and it gives you all the ways that you can create using VoiceThread. But I'm also going to show you here. So here is the tool for VoiceThread. I'm going to show you exactly what to do, the steps to follow. Just takes a few moments to load. Okay, so this is what you should see when you begin on VoiceThread. So it tells us there's no VoiceThreads that have been found. We haven't uploaded anything. So you can either go here to create one or add your own. So it's the same thing. So if I go here, add your own, create a new VoiceThread. And it asks me either to drop my files here, which I would be doing if I was creating a presentation, or to add media. So when you're doing your recordings for your oral feedback and for your reflections, you'll go here to webcam video. I'm going to allow use of my microphone and camera, and it's going to start recording. Okay, you can see here I am. This is the preview, and it tells me now I'm going live. The great thing here is it gives you your time, because you do have to do 5 minutes when you do your oral reflections. So this is when I would say, lo que me gustó de esta película fue que ta ta ta, or lo que no me gustó fue tal cosa. Okay, you can also stop recording here. So this is where you'll explain what did you like, what did you not like, etc. Okay, stop recording, and I'll show you the process that you have to go through. I will click save, but that's not the only thing I have to do. I have to enter a title. So I would say, for example, oral reflection 1, digamos, okay, save. I'm not done yet. What I have to do now is click here where it says share and return to course, submit. And here it is. Okay, so here is the VoiceThread. Now to make a comment, so I will pause that. Here's a comment. When you're responding orally to the different oral reflections or the presentations, I would like you to use your webcam video. So now this is going into my comment. Okay, remember these comments do need to be about 2 minutes in length in responses. I agree with you because of X, or I don't agree with you because of Y, or I interpreted this to mean blah, 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 whatever it might be, okay? And it also tells me here how long has elapsed, so you can make sure you're meeting the length requirements. So I'll push stop recording, and it's gonna upload. That's how you make an oral comment. And I'm gonna save it. Okay, and then I will get out of this. So here you can see the oral reflection, and then this is my comment. So I can see When did you upload it? Okay, I can see how many times it has been viewed, how many comments there are, etc. Okay, so if you ever have any issues as well, you can always go here, go to VoiceThread Home. Okay, and it tells you different, it gives you different options here. These are from my 2 different classes. It also lets you go to here where it says tutorials. So if you ever have any issues, it shows you how to create, how to comment on a video, commenting through written form, sharing it, whatever you might need to do. Okay, so this is what we'll be doing for the remainder of the semester. If you have any issues as far as access to a computer, please go to IT at the university. They do have computers that they're loaning out to students. Okay, so if you have any questions, please reach out to me.